In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to translate text into other languages. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got ChatGPT open. It's a free version and I do have some text right here. It's more or less of kind of a promo script like translated into Kiswahili or Swahili. Now, I'll just copy it. And once I'm back in ChatGPT, let it know translate to Swahili, and then I'll just paste in my texts and press enter. And it's already done. So now this is more or less what the English kind of text sounds like or reads. Looking for your next unforgettable adventure. This is what the Swahili version reads. Unatafuta tukio lako la kusisimua lisilo la kusahaulika. Kenya inakuita. Kenya is calling. From the iconic Masai Mara where the Great Migration roars to life, to the crystal clear waters of Diani Beach, this East African gem has it all. Kutoka Masai Mara maarufu, ambako uhamiaji mkuu unawaka kwa uhai, hadi maji ya kuvutia ya pwani ya Diani. Hazina hii ya Afrika Mashariki ina yote. So, more or less a really kind of good translation, if I may say. And you can see, explore the world in Amboseli, gaze at Mount Kilimanjaro, or lose yourself in the magic of Lake Nakuru's flamingos. Chunguza pori la Amboseli, tazama mlima Kilimanjaro, au potea katika uzuri wa flamingo za ziwa Nakuru. Iwapo unatamani msisimuko wa safari au utulivu wa pwani, uzuri wa Kenya utakuvutia moyo. Usiishie kuota tu. Ishi ndoto yako. Gundua sehemu bora za kutembea nchini Kenya sasa. So, it's a really good translation, I believe. So, maybe the Swahili, kinda the people who are deep into Swahili can let me know, but I think that's a really decent translation. So if you're looking to kind of translate more or less a script, a promo, this would have been a really good one, read and narrated really well, capturing the different scenery, adding b-roll if you're doing a video. This would be really a good kind of way. But that is how you can use ChatGPT to translate text into other languages. And the sample I did here was English to Swahili translation. Hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.